All right, y'all. So this is the finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? Honestly, I'm really loving the color, and this is very different for me because I usually don't go for colors like this when it's curly, but I am loving it. Now let's get into the specs of what I have on today. So I have on a wig from Faba Wigs, and this is a Afro Kinky curly unit, and this is in 14 inches. Now the color is like a brown blonde highlight. It's 200% density, and this is 100% human hair. So with this unit as well, it is pre-everything. So you get it pre-cut. You can wear it glueless as well. It comes pre-bleached as well, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots. It is pre-plucked as well, so you don't have to worry about making it into a realistic hairline. It comes like that already for you, and it's also beginner friendly as well. So with this unit as well, it does have HD lace, and it is a 9x6 parting space as well, so you get 9 inches in the front and 6 inches of parting space to the back. Now this unit is literally 100% beginner friendly. You literally don't have to worry about anything with this unit, just other than putting it on and styling it how you would like to. You can wear it as a side part to the left or the right, or you can do a middle part like I did here today. Overall, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Honestly, I'm really surprised about how good this color looks on me with curly hair. I usually don't do this type of wig, but it's really cute and I really do love the curls. The curls came out really good. I only use a gel for the curls, and I used a little bit of water that's mixed with conditioner, and honestly it dried up pretty well as well. I had to use the blow dryer a little bit just to get the roots dry, but other than that, it did dry up pretty quickly. Now if you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.